This is your Wednesday lesson for September 18th, Unit 2, Lesson 7, Comparing and Ordering Numbers to the Hundred Thousands Place. Today we're going to talk through skill, mastery, components, and potential misconceptions. Today is an easier day. I want to name that right off the top. And so your mastery goal must be 90% or higher. It should be in the 95s. There's absolutely no way to accept anything lower than that. So today let's talk about the skill. We're comparing two-digit numbers, bigger than two-digit numbers, based on the meanings of the digits in the place, using these symbols to record the result of comparison. So we're looking at the meanings of the digit in each place, then comparing based on the meaning. So compare and order digits through 99,999 by thinking about the value of the digit in each place. So today, my TTED statement, I'm going to start with it, is I can compare numbers. Now I'm going to put the symbols in by thinking about the value of each digit. The tricky thing is that this can actually lead to a misconception. So even though the number 999,999 has a bunch of nines in it, it doesn't mean it's bigger than 100,000. And so frequently we can have a kid say, well, 9 is bigger than 0. This is the misconception for the day. Your biggest misconception is children misunderstanding that when we compare, we always start. We start in the largest place value first. That is procedural. It's not the TTED statement. But when we compare step one, we start comparing the largest place value first. We identify the value of the digit in that place value, and we determine, can we compare in that place value, or we move on to the next smallest place value. So your TTED statement, again, I can compare numbers by thinking about the value of each digit. Your misconception is not starting in the largest place value or not comparing by place value. So if they try to compare this 9 and this 1, that would be inaccurate because they don't share the same place value. And again, your mastery is 90%. Really quick model to keep this under hopefully 3 minutes. I'm not going to go through the big problem, etc. But as always, you need to have annotation, big problem. Your representation can be whatever it needs to be in that moment. And I'm going to show you my solving strategy today, which is a dual representation. So 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and I need another place value. 100,000, 3, 1, 2, and I'm going to put HR for hurricane relief. This is going to be another potential misconception today, is not accurately labeling. 4, 3, 0, and then for earthquake relief, ER is 309,987. Today, tomorrow, and every day, I can compare the value of it. I can compare numbers based on the value of the digit. So step 1 is to create this place value chart with labels. Step 2, I start comparing the largest place value. I ask myself, can I compare? Are these digits different or are they the same? So 300,000, 300,000, can I compare or are they the same? They're the same. I move on. I move to the next smallest place value. I have 10,000. I have 0 10,000s. Can I compare? Yes, I can, because 1 10,000 is greater than no 10,000s. Hurricane relief. So after I'm comparing, now I can actually compare hurricane relief, earthquake relief. I'm going to put the numbers below. And I know that hurricane relief is greater. So the alligator always eats the larger digit. Don't put those teeth on because then kids will do it.